How to mute someone on Facebook. So in order to mute a person on Facebook, you need to be friends with them. So for example, for this case, let me head over and then mute this person. In order to mute them, you can click on this friends option. And in here, you can see these options right here like unfollow, take a break, and a lot more. So essentially, take a break will work as well. So click on this take a break. And when you have clicked on that, as you can see list of this person's profile. So just head over and then click on this take a break, and then this right here will only be able to see them if you visit their profile. So this will essentially makes it a mute profile for you. So alternatively, you can also mute them through the messenger option. Just head over and then go to your conversation with the person, long press on them, and then click on this mute option. Then you can mute message and call notifications, and then click on OK. So just choosing here the duration and click on OK again, and then you can see in here that we have now a mute icon. So that's how you mute someone on Facebook. Hope we helped.